Did you see that? Dang it, I hope you could see that. That was a that was a former BN PRLX. I really hope you could see that. I'll be so mad at myself if I didn't get a good shot of that. But it's hard because we're shooting through trees. So, wow. We've seen some cool stuff. Cause like 2 weeks ago we saw that the PRLX, that was the color of the BNSFs. I'd assume there's like a more expert name for that, but sorry if I wasn't showing that. But I'm like, you know, I don't really know like a ton about trains. Like, I mean, like, I know like a lot of the engines and stuff. I just don't know like their like specific names. Here's the end. I think there's like 5 more cars, maybe. Yeah, no. Actually, there's a few more. There's a lot more than 5 cars left. I think that's the end right there. Yeah? Wow, that was awesome. Okay, here's another train. It's NS again. 2 engines. Manifest. CSX. Wow, I did not see it coming until like right before we started the video, and Ryan's like, "Is that a train?" I'm like, "Yeah, yeah." Wow. Here, I'll go a little closer. Sorry that it's shaky. It just looks shaky because it's zoomed in and I'm walking. Wow. Look at those bright blue containers. You'll see them in a second. Right there. I'm sorry about that. I'm just moving closer so I can look down the line to see if maybe another one is coming. Because yesterday we saw that triple meet. Long train. Oh, there's the end. Right there. There it goes. PRLX. Where? NS. Oh, wow. Wow. Here we are going alongside that engine. That's cool. Just going right alongside the engines of this train. And of course there's a red light ahead. As you can see, that PRLX back there. That is so cool. That is so cool. Wow. Look, there's another train. Oh, there's another train. I'm still filming. CSX, three engines. Wow, me. Wow. I guess I'll keep filming. Hopefully we can catch up to the end. Should I keep going to the next train so it's still right next to it? The engines are right there. By the way, this is on the same road we were on in our video, on our Railfanning video from, I don't remember the date, but it was our first one that was like 20 minutes long. Yeah, go on the other one. Wow, that's a great shot of that engine. You know, those used to be Burlington Northerns, but now that company, they split between, or they formed into BNSF or whatever. Now that is so cool. And then there it is, going over the bridge. Okay, so here's a train here. It looks like it's backing up, I'm not sure. It's not moving at all right now. Now, of course, the bridge is going to block our view of a couple. There's the engines.